What's up YouTube? I am Rounds Decor. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a balloon arch without using a stand. Let's get to it. Okay, first we're going to start off by making our quads. So here are the twins, and in order to make the quads, you take both of the twins, you put them together, and you twist over. Next, you're going to be taking your balloon ribbon. You're going to tie it around the first quad. And make sure you leave some hanging at the bottom so you can connect your weight. Okay, so now we're at the fun part. It's just adding on your balloons and just going up and down, taking the balloon ribbon, going up and down and around, up and down and around. Making sure that the balloons are secure. When you get ready to add another quad, same thing. Up and down and around, up and down and around. So after you begin to add so many, it's going to get very long. So you might have to get on the floor. Then you can add a water balloon to each side to hold the arch in place. Here's our finished product. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.